Hello, pure souls. Welcome to my channel. Let's see what message is coming for you today. Before I read a card, simply says just do Om chanting, just work with amethyst pebble with crown chakra symbol or pyrite if you have. So just connect with that crystal and uh, leave the rest behind because lots of energies are going away from you, which is bothering you a lot. If you work with pyrite or amethyst, so just work with those crystals and live happy healthy life. This is the message from the divine masculine or feminine or Arnarishwar divine, so god or goddesses. So if you know, so or uh, and I can if I simply say, so your divine masculine or feminine wants you have to be worked with those crystals to live a happy healthy life. So uh, because amethyst clean your mind, and if you are channeler or downloader, so mm, they amethyst provide you the best messages for you, and pyrite uh, gives you the relief from the all kind of negativities, and Saturn, if you know, if you are an astrologer or some kind of knowledge of astrology, so uh, Saturn uh, Saturn effects going through uh, away, going away from you, from your astrologic chart. I think I don't know what it is, but I don't believe in that. I just simply believe in work hard. uh, uh, what can I say? This is I'm totally simply believe in karma or karma. Uh, so if you believe in astrology, so Saturn, whatever Saturn gives you, this is releasing uh, from your aura, or from your body, mind and soul, or whatever it is. Astrological chart, the Saturn part is over, and you are coming into the uh, marvelous uh, area of your life. So if you work with pyrite, right, and for mind relaxing, amethyst is the best. Or yeah, definitely, or some kind of energies, but pyrite is the best for that. Amethyst for mind clearing, and what is good for you, what is not good for you. Amethyst helps to uh, deciding what, which is good for you, overall well-being. This is belongs to mind, so definitely your mind works properly. So mind works properly, so your overall well-being works properly, right? So amethyst helps you a lot. So whoever message is this, just take it what it is, resonate with you, and leave the rest behind. Each and every message belongs to particular person, so uh, don't be bothered, just take it what it is, resonate with you, and leave the rest behind. I am going to pick one card for you. The tower moment is coming. So if you have some kind of fear, this time to release and move forward. just overcome your fear, because tower represent uh, believe in yourself, just faith in yourself and take a risk. If you are a risk taker, go ahead, because lots of good things coming into your way, and you will be happy and you will going to fly soon. So just take a risk and faith in yourself, believe in yourself. If you have a fear, or if you have scared for that, so this time you have to take a risk to achieve something big. Maybe uh, ST means something for you. I saw ST. If you see this, uh, right? I saw ST or S7. I don't know. So it is belongs to someone. So you if you have some messages from it, so this is the message for today. I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much. Love and light. Live a happy every life. Thank you.